We are so screwed. We don't have snow chains. I just called the rental store person. Looks like the US.
Like it was the first time, do you remember?
We're going to the shrine right now. Here right now and it's snowing like mad and we do not have a snow chain, so we need to go get it right now. We are so screwed. Crazy man, right now it's like heavy like snow. So right now we're at Good Day and we don't have snow chains and it's snowing right now and we can't go up to the expressway and we only have summer tires, so basically we're like screwed and we're at a grocery store right now asking someone to help us. I just called the rental store person, so they're coming to save us. Oh man. And thank God for them to help us. Thank you. We have our snow chains on. Hello friends, so I just reached my hotel at Beppu. It's our first day at Fukuoka and it's been a hell of a ride already. So when we came and landed in Fukuoka, we rented a car and then the car rental person said to get the snow chains in because it's gonna snow, but we forgot about it and then it was also quite sunny, so we didn't think too much about it. But like when we were on the expressway was closed and then they didn't even want to let us go through because we didn't have the snow chains. So, but there wasn't any like tire store around this area and it was like what 40 km the nearest one, and then thank God like there was this like grocery store sort of thing, like DIY store, but no one was able to help us set it up and it was like freaking complicated and all like the instruction menu was in Japanese. I just have to like look for a person that can help me, and I told the rental store guy like can you just like come down and help me, and he was like no, I already gave you a disclaimer like in the morning, so yeah, we're not gonna help you. He said go to like the nearest petrol kiosk. We went to nearest petrol kiosk and then we basically like just got the snow chains done, everything. At this point right, we were supposed to go get lunch and it was like 2 p.m. but mind you, like we thought that it was gonna be a smooth ride from now on already, and like we thought it's gonna be a very smooth journey with like the snow chains, everything, we were like set. And then once we reached there, what the heck, like it was freaking foggy, like the whole window was white and like couldn't see anything and there wasn't any barricades. Like I had to stick my head out with my sunglasses to like at least like see and look and like protect my eyes at the same time. I couldn't even like see anything. My whole head was like filled with snow, and then like, I just had to like guide my dad Yeah, whole ride was like what, 14 km. I am freaking tired right now. I think it's like around 5 p.m. already, and like for 5 p.m. just like breathless. I'm cold. I want to go home. I don't want to be here. But yeah. Oh, what a journey. Crazy eh? Little tiny hotel of the day. Hello, we're finally here after a whole long journey. It's crazy. We're here. This is the onsen town. Smells like farts. I'm at Family Mart right now. We are leaving Beppu right now. We're going to Hakata. This is my ticket. I'm gonna try the croissants here. Apparently, everyone seems to be buying it. Being typical Singaporean, because a lot of people are queuing up, we're just gonna go to this place. It's called Shin Shin. We're gonna go eat unagi right now. We're at the unagi restaurant. It's so out now. I'm masking again. Egg sandwich.
We're going up the tram now. Alright, so we're at the castle right now. You guys can see, so freaking cool. But yeah, let's go. Alright, so we are walking into the castle. We're at this little village area with all the food, which I'm very excited. We're eating at this little restaurant right here near the Kumamoto Castle. Very, very nice. Let's look at the washroom. Wow. Oh, we have a little tub on our own. It's the huge store here. Oh my god, look at this. It's huge. We have tempura, pork, sashimi, pickles, tofu, and some little small dishes. The hotel! Yay! Turn off the room light. Good morning! Oh my gosh, we didn't really bring any clothes, so I didn't change. But yeah, same feet today. Woo. This is Ichiran's first store in Hakata, and we're gonna go in. Okay, we just ordered. I'm gonna pay. This is the Canal City area. We're going to the orange building right now. Going for dinner! This is what we're eating today. Kind of cool. They're gonna cook for us, and then after that we use the essence to make a porridge or noodle. try the moss burger here. We're going to the Toastu Premium Outlet right now. Super deserted. We are here after what seems like forever, right? Yes. Alright. It's okay. We are gonna go in right now. We're here. Looks like the US. Okay, after what seems like forever, we are finally here. And let me show you what they have in here. These are the brands that is here. Alright, let's get going. We are going to New Balance right now. Ralph Lauren right now. We're going into Coach right now. 50% total for this bag is $200. This is the food court right here. We are gonna go look for my parents right now, but later on I want to eat this hot udon. I want a mentaiko pasta right now. My mom bought these things. Oh my god, crazy. So we're here at the souvenir store. It's our last few days. So apparently for Hakata, like the mentaiko, it's super duper popular here. Then they also have like the strawberry chocolate stuff. I kind of want to try this. I'm asking my mom to get this. Hi, we're at Fukuoka Tower. Alright, I guess. Should we go up? The Fukuoka Tower right now. Looks like that. Currently at the outlet, Merino outlet, and this outlet has more like sporty items. been wanting to get one yesterday, but then I was still thinking about it, so today is my second chance. We're going home. Bye bye.